Parts of polygon. Ngayon po, ang ating polygon ito ay ating papangalanan by writing the consecutive vertices. Polygon A, B, C, D, A. Unang parts ay ang ating sides, the segments forming the polygons. Ito yung side AB, side BC, side CD, side DE, and side AE. Next, yung vertices, the points where the segments meet. Ito yung A, B, C, D, and A. Then yung last, yung angles formed by two adjacent sides. Ito yung angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D, and angle A. So ito po ang mga parts of polygons. For more video tutorials about this, please subscribe for more updates.